Good morning children. Today we are going to see 6th English Unit 3. Children, in this video we are going to revise the topic A Visitor from Distant Lands for the upcoming Unit Test 3. Now let's see the characters of the story. Mani's father, Mani's mother, Selvi, Mani's sister. Now let's start the story. Mani's family lived in a village near Senji in Viluppuram district. Mani liked only a few vegetables. Potatoes and lady's finger were the two that he liked very much. One day, when Amma served potato curry, Mani said, "I don't want to eat potatoes today because they are foreign vegetables." Foreign means belongs to other country. Foreign means belongs to other country. No, they are not. Amma brought them from the vegetable shop near the bus stop, said Selvi. Mani said, "Appa, Selvi is too small to understand that potatoes are not from India." Dad asked, "So what?" Mani said, "My teacher told us that we should buy and eat locally grown food. And she also told us to use things made in our country." Selvi asked, "What else did your teacher tell you?" Amma said, "Mani, then you cannot eat popcorn the next time we go to watch a movie." Then Mani's father said, "Mani, you cannot order tomato soup or pineapple juice." "Mani, then you cannot order anything?" said Selvi. Mani asked, Why I can't I eat popcorn or soup or anything that I want to?" Amma said, "Don't you know that corn, tomatoes and even ladies' fingers all came from other countries?" "Really? How did they come to our country, Amma? Did they get on an aeroplane and come here?" asked Sylvie. Appa said, No, some merchants brought them here long ago by sea." Mani asked, "Why did they bring vegetables to India?" And Sylvie asked, "They could have brought some sweets. Why did not they?" Amma said, "People came to India in search of spices, especially black pepper. A man from Portugal named Vasco da Gama sailed to Kerala." Sailed means travelled in boat or ship. Sailed means travelled in boat or ship. Imagine the joy of the sailors when they reached Kozhikode and found black pepper. They took a lot of pepper back to their country. "They took spices from India?" asked Sylvie. Mani said yes, and then asked, "Who brought the vegetables into India?" Appa said, "The Portuguese brought them to India. Potato was one of those vegetables." Now, Mani and Selvi looked at the potato curry on their plates and quickly began to eat it. Mani exclaimed, "Wow, this potato has travelled so far." Amma said, "Careful, Selvi, don't upset our foreign visitor. Foreign means belongs to other country." Selvi pulled a long green chilli out of the curry. Selvi asked, Who's our foreign visitor? Amma, you are making fun of me." Appa said, "No, Amma is not making fun. She is talking about the foreign fruit chili." And then Appa said chilies were very popular in South America, but no one else in the world knew of the spicy fruit. One day, a sailor named Christopher Columbus sailed to South America. Sailed means travelled in a boat or ship. The sailor was actually looking for India. He wanted to buy black pepper. Instead, he found South America and the chili. Selvi said, "How sad for Columbus." Amma said, "Yes, it was a little sad, but because he went to South America, he found the chili. It was as spicy as the black pepper. And so Christopher Columbus packed the chili and took it back to his country with him." Mani asked his father, "But how did the chili come here?" Appa said chili was one of the things that the Portuguese brought to India. In India, chili was first brought into Goa, and the people there learned to use these new spices in their cooking. Before the entry of chilies, pepper was used in cooking. Children, do you know? Chilies were first known as Kovai Mirchi. Soon there were many different kinds of chilies. Some were long and thin, and some were fat and stubby. Stubby means short and thick. People in India and Sri Lanka began to use this in their cooking. Soon it spread to many other parts of the world. Selvi and Mani looked at the chili on their plate. They quickly took a bite of the chili. "To waste you would be very bad, and so we are going to eat you. It's hot and spicy." Children, now let's revise the glossary. Foreign belongs to other country. Merchants, people who trade. Sailed, travelled in a boat or ship. Portuguese, people of Portugal. Adventures, brave and bold. Popular, well known. Stubby, short and thick. Delicious, tasty. Joy, happiness. Upset, disturb. Now let's revise the opposites. Near, away. Village, town. Foreign, local. Popular, unknown. Different, Same. Careful, careless. Few, many. Like, dislike. Delicious, tasteless. Quickly, slowly. Children, now let's see the true or false. Mani's family lived in a village. The answer is true. Mani liked only a few vegetables. The answer is true. Chilies are very popular in London. The answer is false. Indian food is tasty, spicy and healthy. The answer is true. Pepper is also known as white gold. The answer is false. Children, now let's see fill in the blanks. When Amma said, "Don't upset our foreign visitor," she meant chilli. Selvi asked, "Did they come in an aeroplane?" because she was joking. Mani's mother brought the vegetables from the shops. Children, now let's see the important questions. First one, who first brought these vegetables to India? Portuguese first brought these vegetables to India. Children, who first brought these vegetables to India? Portuguese first brought these vegetables to India. Second one, who came to India from Portugal in search of pepper? Vasco da Gama came to India from Portugal in search of pepper. Who came to India from Portugal in search of pepper? Vasco da Gama came to India from Portugal in search of pepper. Third one, what did Amma mean when she said tomatoes, lady's finger and corn came from other countries? They were not found in India, they were brought by foreigners. Children, what did Amma mean when she said tomatoes, lady's finger and corn came from other countries? They were not found in India, they were brought by foreigners. Fourth one, where did Mani live? What vegetables did he like very much? Mani lived in a village near Senji in Viluppuram district. He liked potatoes and lady's finger very much. Children, where did Mani live? What vegetables did he like very much? Mani lived in a village near Senji in Viluppuram district. He liked potatoes and lady's finger very much. Fifth one, what are the vegetables that came from other countries? Potatoes, lady's finger, tomatoes and corn came from other countries. Children, what are the vegetables that came from other countries? Potatoes, lady's finger, tomatoes and corn came from other countries. Sixth one, who found Chile? Christopher Columbus found Chile in South America. Children, who found Chile? Christopher Columbus found Chile in South America. Seventh one, what were chilies known first? Chilies were first known as Kovai Mirchi. What were chilies known first? Chilies were first known as Kovai Mirchi.